Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can move from Skype to Microsoft Teams in 2025. So first of all, you need to go to teams.microsoft.com, or you can download the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop or mobile, and then you need to sign in using your Microsoft account, the same one you need to use for your Skype if possible. The second thing that you need to do is to simply sync or add the contents. So Team or Skype are both Microsoft services. So many of your Skype contents may automatically appear in Teams, especially if they are linked to Microsoft 365. So if not, you can go to chats and then click on the contacts option, and you can add the contacts and their email address or Skype username manually. Then you need to send a quick message on the Skype letting people know that you are switching to Team. You can say that, hey, I'm now using Microsoft Teams. Microsoft doesn't offer automatic chat history transfer from Skype to Team. So if you need past messages manually, you can just copy and save important ones, or you can export your Skype data from the Skype setting and privacy, and then you can export the files. Once it is set up successfully, you can start the calls, chats, and meeting directly in Teams. It offers better collaboration tools like file sharing, group chat, and video meetings all in one place. For further assistance, I will put the link of this page down in the description as well, so that you could come to know if you face any kind of problems. If this video helped you out, thanks for watching this video.